welcome back. So let's go ahead and get into a more defined brow like this one here. So if you're interested, by all means stay tuned. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, so now I'm going to be showing you how to do a more defined looking brow. First we did the natural brow look, and now we're going to do a more defined brow, and I'm just going to be using the e.l.f. brow kit. This is the one in dark. So I'm going to be taking a angled brow brush and just dipping it into the shadow part of this little duo, not the wax part but the shadow part, picking up some brow color, and I'm actually going to do a very, very defined chiseled look. We're going to come right in here. Pick up some more. I'm going to come across the top here. And now we're going to start filling this in. And then for that really, really sharp tip, you're going to be getting into the wax end of this. Pick up some wax and then just come right along the edge carefully. Just lay it down. And don't go too far up into the brow. And then you take your spoolie, wherever it is that I lost it. Wow. Really? Huh. Okay, so now we're just gonna comb that out a little bit. We don't want to lose any of the definition, but we want the hairs to mingle in together. And towards the front, I like to keep it a little softer, right towards the inner quarter right there. So there you have it. So if you want to sharpen that line up a little bit right inside, all you need to do is pick up a fairly light color. This is out of the birthday suit. These shadows are not, you know, named individually, but I'm going to pick up this this is the lightest shade right here, and this is kind of more in the cool tone. It's not really all that warm. So I'm going to pick up some of that color, and I'm just going to put it right underneath that brow bone, just to help that brow bone pop. And yes, there is fallout with these shadows. This will give you a really nice clean, crisp line. You know, if you want that real defined, as Wayne Goss calls it, the Instagram brow, which I know he's totally against. Some days I like this look, and some days I really like the more soft, subtle looking brow that I showed you just before this technique. So that just crisps up, just makes a nice crisp line, as you can see, right along your brow. So there you go, guys.
You've got dirt on your nose, by the way. Did you know?